Carla's sexy and striking poses in front of the camera sa pictorial ng kanyang cover girl stint for Preview magazine.
Alright guys, we're here with Pauline, the editor-in-chief of Preview. Pauline, bakit si Carla on the cover?
Well, she's a fresh, new, exciting face. We just really wanted to get to know her. Now, hindi pa siya masyadong kilala ng mga readers namin. So we wanted to be the first to introduce to everyone. She's fantastic. She's sexy, she's young, she's beautiful. Who doesn't want to get to know her, diba?
Yeah.
She's so easy to work with. The shoot has gone on fabulously. Everything fits her. Everything looks good on her. She registers so well on the camera ng ka-Indian.
Hey Frank, sorry to bother you, but we want to know, how is it working with Carla today?
Oh, very easy. This girl has such a wonderful connection with the camera. I just love shooting her, and she's so styleful. Whatever picture you take, it comes out to be truthful, nice, sexy, but still styleful. I love it.
Malayong-malayo nga sa kanyang mahinhin na persona bilang Rosalinda, ang karakter na inilabas ni Carla sa kanyang pictorial. Ano nga bang nararamdaman niya now that she's unleashed her more seductive side?
It felt very great, like I said. So exciting, very happy, and enjoy.
For you, ano siguro yung favorite look mo? What's your favorite?
My favorite was the one with the blue blazer, tas kita lang yung bra and naka-shorts. It was very sexy, but still in a feminine and cute way. So that was my favorite look.
At syempre, inalam ko kung paano naghanda si Carla sa project na to. Paano ka naghanda?
Wala naman, lack of preparation actually, because we continue to work and tape for the show, but I guess maintenance of the weight, tapos I didn't eat too much this week, not too much of rice and all, para at least still looking good.
Pag ito lumabas, kapakita mo ba ito kay Jetta?
Of course! You have to see it, di ba? Maganda, I'm sure it's going to come out with.
Anong reaction sa tingin mo magiging ni Jeff? Pag nakita niya, ano yung reaction niya?
Matutuwa yun, he'll be proud of me, he'll be supportive, and I'm sure he'll like the picture.
Na aside from the magazine work, ano pa ang aabangan namin kay Carla Abellano?
Marami pa. Diyan ang recording contract ko with Universal Records. Start po kaming magtrabaho niyan this month. And of course, my endorsements that are lined up already. So excited to work, start shooting. Tuloy-tuloy. Go lang.
Congratulations.